The Oukitel WP210 versus the Blackview Xplore 2. These two rugged phones are the best and latest high-end rugged phones from their respective brands. So in this video, I'll compare the specs of both rugged phones to see which is equipped with the best specs. If you're new here, subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Personally, both devices, in my opinion, are great. They are both feature-packed and they are powered by extremely powerful processors. But of course, the Xplore 2 is a little bit more powerful than the Oukitel WP210 because it is powered by the Dimensity 300, while the WP210 is powered by the Dimensity 8200. But both 5G processors are extremely efficient and extremely powerful. And of course, other aspects of both devices are very nice as well, and they are among the best rugged phones of 2025. But what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comments section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.